Welcome everybody to the dinner crowd, the dear dinner crowd. We have a few gathering up out there. Have a few still in the woods that hadn't come out yet. And we put out I say we, but hubby, hubby put out the third feed block this morning, and Mr. Buck and White Billy was out there early this morning working on that. We were very happy to see Mr. Buck. He had been MIA for a little while, and we were getting worried about him. But he's okay. He must have smelled the fresh new berry block. They do smell so good. They smell like Fruit Loops, I think. They smell really fruity. So, I did a video earlier about another video that I had heard, some alarming, disturbing news, and I have since then learned that Don said that quite a while ago, but it's still very alarming that he said that. It's got me thinking, and I do still believe that Candace is very much involved. And I'm not letting Grandis off the hook yet either. I hope there are more people involved, because the more people that are involved, the more likely this case is to be cracked. Because the more people you have involved, the more people that are talking, and the more people that's more likely to slip up somewhere along the line, or somebody might just come forward and tell what they know. Which one is that over there at the block?
What do you mean, which one's that? It's Socks.
Socks. I couldn't tell. I ain't got my glasses on. I don't see White Billy, but she'll be up here. She was around eating all the bird food out of the bird feeders out there yesterday, so she's fine. She brought Mr. Buck up. Mr. Buck is her son. And she looks like she's pregnant again. A few of them do. I hope they all have twins. Y'all are really going to enjoy seeing the babies when they're born. When they come walking up, you're going to just love it. I want to name one of the new fawns Summer, but it's got to be a special one. It's got to be something bright and sunny and happy about it. I have to pick out which one, but one of them I want to name Summer. One of the new fawns we'll get to see this summer. And I thought about if one of them has a set of twins, I might name them Summer and Moon, or Summer and Yucky. What do y'all think about those names? Or Lucky. We might not want to call it Yucky. The deer might not appreciate that. Even though we know why Yucky was called Yucky. Because Summer couldn't say Lucky. So there might be a Summer and a Lucky. I'm being watched by that one in the middle. She hears my voice and she's watching me. She's done spotted me in the window.
She wasn't calling you Yucky. Don't get all upset.
Did you see her stomp her foot at me?
Because she thinks you're dangerous.
She don't like the way I was looking at her around the tripod. It was almost like we were playing peekaboo. She didn't like that.
But the foot stomp is their first danger signal. They'll stomp to alert other deer in their area without making a bunch of noise.
See, we got the windows open. We got two of the windows open in here so they can hear us better than usual.
But they stomp as a warning signal to other deer, and the stomp's also to see what they perceive to be a possible threat does, to see if it reacts to the stomp. That's like their first signal before they run.
I don't want them to run away.
Well, they want food. And if you be quiet for a minute, they'll be eating a lot of the corn, so they might.
It looks like the majority is leaving us.
Looks like they're waiting. You're just a little bit too noisy tonight.
Because some windows are open.